Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a fun twist on a classic, Sparkling Sangria. This bubbly version is perfect for any celebration, especially for toasting the new year alongside some delicious tapas. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A bottle of sparkling wine. Prosecco or cava works perfectly. I have a cava here today. You want some orange liqueur, a fresh squeezed orange juice as well, and an assortment of fresh fruit. I have an apple and an orange today, and some fresh berries as well. I have blueberries and raspberries. And you could add a sprig of fresh mint as well for some extra freshness. Start by slicing up your fruit into bite-sized pieces. I have my apple and my orange and those beautiful berries for a pop of color. Next, pour in about a half a cup of orange juice and a quarter cup of orange liqueur for a citrusy kick. And you can adjust these amounts to taste as well. So if you want to make it a little more boozy, add a little extra liqueur. Now for the star of the show, the sparkling wine. Slowly pour the entire bottle into the pitcher to keep the bubbles intact. Add all your fruit to the pitcher. This will not only flavor the sangria, but also make it look absolutely stunning. Give it a gentle stir to combine everything, but don't overdo it. You want to keep those bubbles nice and lively. To serve, put some ice in a glass, fill the glass with some of the fresh fruit, and pour in the sangria. For an extra festive touch, garnish with a sprig of mint or a twist of orange peel if you'd like. And there you have it, Sparkling Sangria. It's refreshing, festive, and the perfect companion to a tapas-inspired celebration. I hope you give this Sparkling Sangria a try at your next celebration. It's so easy to make and guaranteed to impress your guests. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my full video on tapas recipes. Cheers and Happy New Year!